The key objective of the special UN summit on COVID-19 is to bring together nations and humanitarian agencies, vaccine makers and private companies to make sure that once these vaccines become available, no one is left behind. It's a massive undertaking to ensure that those vaccines are not just for wealthy nations, but can also reach vulnerable populations in low and middle income countries.
With positive results in recent weeks from vaccine trials, the light at the end of the tunnel is growing steadily brighter. Although the path ahead remains treacherous, we can begin to glimpse the end of the pandemic. But let me be clear, we simply cannot accept a world in which the poor and marginalized are trampled by the rich and powerful in the stampede for vaccines.
The summit comes as COVID-19 cases around the world surpass 65 million and more than 1.5 million people have died, according to Johns Hopkins University. Discussions are already underway to take stock of the global response so far, but also to ramp up and refine distribution plans for vaccines and brainstorm ways to recover from the socio-economic impacts of the pandemic. Now, this is a historic moment for international diplomacy because what comes out of this summit will ultimately test the ability of the multilateral system to respond to the pandemic together, but also to address those critical issues and inequalities exposed by the crisis, from extreme poverty to food shortages to the impacts from climate change, in order to recover and build back better. Li Lingtan, CGTN, New York.